Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to sort your product without a plugin. So what I want to do now, I want you to look at this. If I scroll down, let me go to the website itself. Okay guys, if you want to buy something, you can go to that website, view2tech.com. it's called view2tech.com. Sharp. Look, you see these are new items which are being put in today, 1 2 3, so like it goes by the latest date. But now there could be one of the products which is a little bit older in post, but you think it can be attractive to many clients. What you do, using a plugin sometimes doesn't work, because you can do this. Let me say, click on products. When I click on products, I can come here, scroll. Some people say do this. Then you touch this product. Now you click on sorting. Okay. When you click on sorting, it's in a sorting mode. Then you drag and drop this here. So once you're done, they say that will work, but in most cases it doesn't work. So okay, let's see if that shifted or changed. I'm gonna refresh. You can see nothing changed, and they say, sorry, sometimes they say the reason is when you did build your website using website builders. You get me? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, there's a trick I use. There's a what they call, let me see, let me look at it. There's a plugin. I'll show that doesn't work. The best way to do it, I'm gonna show you. You can go to plugins. Scroll down. Try and check this MailChimp page view. Speed contact ban or not that. Don't seem to get that plugin, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna do without a plugin. Okay, well, that's fine. If there's no plugin, what do we do? Sometimes if you use a plugin and it doesn't work, do this. Go to products, then look at click at view, edit. This is gonna be edit. I didn't want to edit that way. Go back. We're going to edit. We're going to put it this way. You go to this quick edit, then you see you go to date October 28. So, and I want to bring one of the products here. I'm gonna do quick edit again, something I want to see. 0744. okay, that's fine. Then you go back to product. You search for what you're looking for. I'm looking for 82. Okay, if I press search, well, this is the product I'm looking for. It's a plate. You go here, look at 27. today's what, yeah, Okay, I'm gonna put today's date. will be 28, then I'll go a little bit down, then I'll say save. After saving, we're gonna go here and check what's going on. Refresh. Nothing came because the server takes 28 like it's going to be tomorrow. Okay, that's not a problem. We go back. You see, put it on scheduled. So I'm gonna do this. So it was gonna show tomorrow. Let me put the same time, same date like today. Then time is gonna be it's not it. It's gonna be, I would say 11:37, right? So save. I'm gonna go back here. Yeah, you can see now the plates are here. You can see they are here. So what you can do, you can push them again to play with time. I will say for the earlier 37. Let me see 12. Let me see 12. See, let me go and see. Still is there, but then you have to check what time does this have. Okay, one of your competitors. Okay, let me see. Okay, 12. What if we make it 7? 07 37. Leave it like that. Still remains there. It's fine, but you can see how we play with it, so no problem. I'm gonna go back and see exact date for those two competing items. First look at this. The first one, oh, the first one is 28.0. Oh, that's why 28.07.44. Okay. Oh, I see now. 07.44. I'm gonna see 07.24.44. Okay. I'll go back and see 82. Sorry guys. Oh, okay. 28.07 40. I'm gonna say 45. There is 44. Wow, that's it. Yeah, I guess you see what we try to do. So any product you want to push on what, on the front or the first page, just use that trick of dates. Just play with the dates, then you're fine. Well, thanks for watching guys. If this was good for you, please subscribe, comment, and also share our content. See you in the next video.